Alright, today is February 18, 2023, and we're in Pike County, Ohio, and we're going to take a look at their first courthouse. Alright, come along. This is the actual first courthouse in Pike County, Ohio, and they have a couple of historical markers here. And actually on the building it says Auditor's Office, Clerk's Office. And it also says Pike County Dogwood Festival Office. Very, very beautiful building here. And they have a historical marker outside of the courthouse here. It says Ohio Historical Marker, First County Courthouse, named for General Zebulon Pike, killed in the War of 1812. Pike County was organized in February 1815. Commissioners were charged with establishing a county seat, and on May 12, 1815, accepted a conveyance of 40 acres from Alicia Fitch. The new seat was named Piketon in 1816. The commissioners let a contract for the construction of a courthouse and jail. A fine two-story courthouse with brick laid in Flemish bond was finished in 1819. A fire destroyed some county courthouse offices on October 9, 1844. The repaired courthouse was the seat of county government until 1861 and is part of the Piketon Historic District, which was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1974. Limestone headers above the windows have the names of the county government offices. And this is a nice view of the actual courthouse. And that is the auditor's office once again, and the clerk's office. And on the other side of the historical marker, we have removal of county seat at the behest of Waverly businessman James Emmett. State Representative Shedrick Shaw petitioned the Ohio General Assembly to move Pike County's seat from Piketon to Waverly in 1860. Obtaining signatures for the petition had started a bitter political battle that continued through the early 1860s. Among other incumbents, Waverly's advocates promised to build a new county courthouse in Waverly free of charge. Enabled by state law in February 1861, voters chose to move county government to Waverly by a margin of 310 votes in October. The promise to build the new courthouse went unfulfilled, and in 1864 another bill was proposed to move the county seat back to Piketon. The bill goaded Waverly's advocates to action. The courthouse in Waverly was built and deeded over to the Pike County Commissioners on December 8, 1866. And this is a side view of the actual courthouse here. And on the side of the courthouse, you have a little park dedicated to the veterans. And outside the courthouse, they have a historic Underground Railroad site documented here. And this is the Underground Railroad in Pike County. An Elm Grove abolitionist maintained a lonely Underground Railroad station where he provided safety for escaping enslaved persons. These fugitives were attempting to travel the unfriendly route from Houston Hollow in Scioto County to safe places in Ross, where other conductors helped them on their way to Canada. At Straight Creek, Christopher Brown, a former slave, conducted runaways to Chillicothe. The Barnett and Muntz families at the PP settlement in northwest Pike County hid fugitives, then took them to the next safe place and a step closer to freedom. Oral history states that someone at the Eager Inn that was located on a post road connecting Adams and Ross counties received information when runaways were on their way to that vicinity. The information was then given to the Muntz and Barnett families who prepared to receive the fugitives. Other Pike County citizens who were actively involved in assisting the runaway slaves to freedom were the conductors at the Cars Run and East Jackson settlements. And this is the village of Piketon, and this is their water tower. Very impressive. Really good sized water tower. And this is Pike County's fire station, which I must say is very impressive. Looks like they got 1, 2, 3, 4 places for their fire trucks. And it looks to be painted just recently. It's very bright red. And it looks like they have the bell tower up there. And on this side they have 1, 2, 3 other places for vehicles, it looks like. And Smokey says prevent wildfires. And inside of the fire station here they have a glass window and they have old types of fire trucks inside. Which we enjoy historical items like this. It's very nice to see. And it looks like there's a little fireman down there getting ready to put out a fire. And this is made of wood.
$19.29.
Yeah, and this one says 1929. And there's a jacket over here. It has WFD Truck 1. Yeah, and it says fire department, fire established in 1900. And that is the fire station in Pike County. All right, that was Pike County's first county courthouse. If you like that, please subscribe, leave comments, ring the bell, whatever you like to do there. And thank you so much for watching.